Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, jobs report, 169,000. I was off by 1,000 in the room. I had 168. Well, 169. The reaction, though, overall positive, despite the fact that the July numbers that came out in last month's report and the August report were just a disaster. I mean, it was totally inflated. The market doesn't really care whether they think it's going to keep the Fed's foot on the pedal. All that really matters is the reaction to the numbers, and right now that reaction is positive. So the range that we discovered after the report came out, it's 64 to the upside, 56 to the downside. What's very interesting to me is that the middle Bollinger Band never got tested on the jiggle after jobs on the negative push, and that tells me that the market is fairly strong right now. We are now 7 handles over the middle band. We are, if we can close above the middle band, and we start next week with a buy the dip bias in the market, and we are nearly 40 handles off of the Friday lows down at 25.5. So, what about today? Well, we're up near the top of the range. I've been scalping all morning, been scalping that range, not for anything significant. It's a very tight range for a jobs report, only 8 handles. 64 to 56 is pretty tight for jobs. I think there's going to be a point in time today where everybody says, okay, I'll see you on Monday, and we're going to end up right back in the slowness that we've seen the last 2 days. Going into this week, I told my subscribers there are going to be points of excitement, and we saw that when we made the run up the other day. But then there's going to be points where it still feels like a summer market. It's a 4-day week off of Labor Day. This week is always slow. You throw Rosh Hashanah on top of that, and you're going to have a slow market. So I think next week, as everybody gets back, you're going to see things start to pick up. So be careful. Don't get chopped up in this stuff. I mean, there have been opportunities the last 2 days to get chopped up in 3 to 4 handle ranges. There's no need to do that to yourself. Your broker will love you for it, but your P&L won't do much, because whatever you get done, you're handing out so much in commissions that it just doesn't make a lot of sense. Just understand that within the big picture, the bulls have conquered the middle band, it looks like, absent a big reversal today, and that we will have a buy the dip bias going into next week. Now, they're shutting down a lot of embassies around the world. That's going to be a concern. And Syria isn't going away. I'm expecting a close today above the Bollinger Band, but closer to the Bollinger Band. So, right back around that 55, 56, call it 55 to 58 area after everything gets shaken out today. I'd be very interested to see the reaction of price to a run up to 1669, 1670 up to this fib level. I think that would probably be the extent of an up move today. I don't think there would really be any buyers left. So right now I'm short 62 with a stop at 64, because if we make new highs, I really don't want it. I would rather just see how far it will run up, and I would short it from there. If we pull back below 56 and get back into 54, then I want to be a buyer because I've got the middle Bollinger Band to lean on, and we'll see where the volatility levels for today come out after we get the regular trading hour open. All right, everybody have a fantastic weekend. I will be back at my regular desk on Monday. I've been in Florida all week. And we will hit it first thing Monday morning. I'll have an evening recap out Sunday night. I have posted a new sign up on the homepage of the website for a webinar coming up September 18th. We're going to talk about swing trading the mini, swing trading oil, and swing trading gold, the methods that we use with our subscribers. So come check that out. We'd love to have you. Follow me on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Have an amazing weekend. Catch everybody Sunday night, Monday morning. Trade them well.